So, you're thinking about dipping into your Acorn stash, huh? Good for you. Whether it's for a down payment, an emergency fund, or just a little extra spending cash, knowing how much Acorns takes when you withdraw is crucial. But let's be real, financial jargon can be a real buzzkill. So, let's break it down in plain English. First off, Acorns isn't your typical bank. It's an investment app that rounds up your purchases and invests the spare change. Sounds simple, right? But when it comes to withdrawals, things can get a bit more complex. What type of Acorns account do you have? This is the first big question. Acorns offers a few different account types, each with its own set of rules. Acorns Invest. This is your standard investment account. When you withdraw, you're essentially selling off a portion of your investments. The fees here are typically tied to the underlying investments rather than Acorns itself. So, you'll want to look at the expense ratios of your ETFs. Acorns Later. This is an IRA, which means there are specific rules about when and how you can withdraw. Early withdrawals usually come with penalties. Acorns Checking. This is a regular checking account. There are typically no withdrawal fees, but other fees like overdraft fees might apply. The fine print on fees. Okay, let's talk fees. While Acorns doesn't directly charge a withdrawal fee for most accounts, there are a few things to consider. Investment fees. As mentioned, Acorns Invest uses ETFs, which have expense ratios. This is the annual fee charged to manage the fund. It's a small percentage of your investment. Trading fees. Some brokerage accounts charge fees for each trade. Acorns generally doesn't charge these, but it's worth checking. Early withdrawal penalties. If you have an Acorns Later account and withdraw before age 59 and a half, you'll likely face a 10% penalty plus taxes on the amount withdrawn. Other fees. Acorns, like any financial institution, might have other fees. This could include inactivity fees or fees for specific services. How much will you actually get? So, you've calculated the fees. Now, how much money will you actually see in your bank account? Investment accounts. When you withdraw from an investment account, the value of your investments will fluctuate based on market conditions. So, even without fees, the amount you withdraw might be different from what you initially invested. Tax implications. Remember, investment gains are often taxed. So, the amount you withdraw might be reduced by taxes. Tips for minimizing withdrawal costs. Understand your account. Know the ins and outs of your Acorns account. Time your withdrawals wisely. If you're investing for the long term, consider withdrawing when the market is up to minimize losses. Consider tax implications. Work with a financial advisor to understand the tax consequences of your withdrawals. Explore alternatives. If fees are a concern, explore other investment options. Acorns is a great tool for saving money, but it's essential to understand how it works before making withdrawals. By understanding the fees involved and the potential tax implications, you can make informed decisions about your money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.